Right, so today I'm going to install this heat alarm. It's for my kitchen. So I'm just going to unpack it. This is the base. These are the screws. It's only 2. This is the back. So the model is, so the brand is FireAngel, and the model is HT-630. Expiry date on May 2031. Battery not replaceable. Where's the color? You usually just have to pull out something to activate the battery. Let's wait for a minute. Basically you have to place the cover to activate it. I didn't know that. Okay, now we know. So basically that's all what you need to do. Just obviously put the cover first, fix it to the wall, to the ceiling, and then once that's done, as soon as you click it in, it will activate yourself. You just have to test it with a button, which I did. Okay, so I'm just going to go and figure out where it's going to go in the kitchen. Right, follow me. So this is the ceiling of my kitchen. It's about 4 meters by 4 meters, and that's the center of the room, ceiling. And I'm gonna put it between the lights. So the recommendation is you have to leave 30 centimeters from each hole where your ceiling lights are. So in the middle it gives me about 45 centimeters, so it's quite safe to put it there. It's also more than 2 meters from the hub, and the recommendation is 1.5 meters to 2 meters. So it's quite safe to put it there. Right, so I'm just gonna mount it so I can record and drill at the same time. Okay. So these are the, forgive me if you can't see, but these are the screws that needs to go in. I'm just going to open it. And this is the drill bit that is going to be enough to, well, for this size, fix it. Okay, only needs 2. Well, that's what came with. It came with 2. And I can see that the drill holes are Not really clear, to be honest, but they are here. So I'm just gonna push the holes in like that. Just a tiny plastic bit that needs pushing in to create the holes there. Okay, I'm gonna align that in the ceiling and mark my holes. Right, okay, I need to work out exactly where the center is, because I'm strange like that. So I'm gonna make another hole right in the middle. There is one already in there, I'm just gonna push it. Okay, so that's gonna be the center of my, where I'm gonna place it. Just gonna do some measuring. Okay. So that's 54. And that's 108. Great, so just 54 anywhere. Okay, that's what I wanted. I'm just going to place the center or where my marking is. Got it. It's quite dark, I'm just using the torch to find the hole. Okay, we got it. Okay, now just drill 2 holes. Okay. Fixings go first. This thing. Okay, just gonna get closer so you can see the fixings. There, that's what you get with it. Looks alright. Get back to there, and then I'm gonna go and screw it in. in. Okay, now we just need our fire alarm. Just need to put it in. Let's do it together. So that goes, just looking at where I should be pushing it. So it's just like that. And twist it. Okay, that's in. Just a quick test. That works. So that's the heat alarm. That's where the cooker is. And I'll quickly show you where it is in the middle of the ceiling. Right, it's recommended to have it in the middle of the ceiling somewhere, so just put it in there. There's no other places for me to put it. It would be ideal right where this sensor is, but that's the light sensor, so I can't remove that. Just put it right there instead. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.